As a restaurant owner, are you looking for an effective strategy to get more people in your restaurant? Well, we have a simple yet effective program that uses your current customers to bring in new customers. Let me tell you about it. Meet John. He's a local restaurant owner who really needs more customers. A few years ago, he heard that setting up a Facebook page was important, so he did. But he doesn't really know what to do and doesn't have the time to work it out. He makes a post here, uploads a picture there. He gets 1 or 2 likes, but nothing really happens. He doesn't get any new customers, and John feels like it's a waste of time. But one day, he gets an email from Sarah. Sarah says that she has a way of getting every single one of John's current customers to start recommending his restaurant to all of their friends, which means John will now start getting lots of new customers without having to spend any money on advertising and without having to take time out of his busy day to post on social media. Sarah asks John via email what he would like to give to his current customers as an ethical bribe for checking into his business every time they visit. John agrees to a 15% discount on food. Sarah creates simple proven-to-convert copy-paste template and sends to John by mail, ready for him to place on all of his tables and countertops. Now, in walks Teresa, John's first customer of the day. Teresa sees John's new sign stating that she could get 15% off her food bill if she checks in on Facebook. Teresa, who loves a great discount and loves to share what she's doing with her friends, like most people, happily checks into John's restaurant on Facebook. Now, Teresa's friends get instantly notified that she's visited John's restaurant, and she's recommending it as a place they should visit. She gets a ton of likes, several friends comment, and another friend shares. Altogether, more than 250 of her friends see her post. Because of Teresa and all the other customers that are checking into John's restaurant, the number of new customers he gets increases every single day. Our check-in program is so effective, it will increase orders in your restaurant. Let's talk about the simple way that we can work together to implement this program in your restaurant. Contact me and let's get started today.